Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LG K41S to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and download this completely free app from this developer. Following that, just open. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on LG. Now you need to select Receive on an Android and Send on LG device. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go into Photos, select only one, just send and tap on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive, then wait. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!